Hi guys, welcome back to my channel The AG. In today's video, I'm going to share you how to prepare instant oats upma, which is prepared by homemade ready to cook oats upma mixture in an electric kettle. This electric kettle can be carried to your hostel and you can prepare this instant oats upma with ready to cook oats upma mixture. Let's prepare oats mix. To prepare this mixture, take a pan and add 1 cup of oats. Dry roast it on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. When oats are well roasted, transfer to a bowl and let them cool down. Now into the same pan, take 2 teaspoons of oil and add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 2 teaspoons of groundnuts and handful of cashews. Mix well until they are well roasted. When these are well roasted, add finely chopped 1 inch of ginger and finely chopped 2 to 3 green chilies. These are well roasted, add finely chopped carrots, finely chopped onions, 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Mix well until moisture from carrot and onions are evaporated. Make sure that there is no moisture in this mixture because we are going to store this for 15 to 20 days. So mix well on low to medium flame till the moisture in this mixture evaporates. Add salt as required and mix well. If you could see, our onions and carrots are well roasted and all the moisture has evaporated. Now we shall switch off the flame and transfer this mixture to oats. Mix well until everything is well combined. Add salt as required because we are not going to add salt while preparing oats upma. So make sure that everything is well combined. So let this mixture cool down and transfer this mixture into an airtight jar where you can easily carry it to your hostel or PGs. Stays good for 15 to 20 days while kept outside in an airtight container, or else you can store this mixture in a refrigerator for a month. So make sure that you carry this in an airtight container. Now I am showing you how to prepare this oats upma at your hostel using this ready to cook mixture in an electric kettle. So this is how the electric kettle looks. This knob has to sit in this position. We have a knob, a light, and knob has 3 readings such as off, 70 degrees, 100 degrees and maximum. This 70 degrees is low to medium heat, 100 degrees is boiling temperature, that is it is very high temperature, and maximum is very high temperature. So depending on the recipes you cook, you have to adjust the heat accordingly. While you turn the knob from off to 70 degrees, our electric kettle starts heating up. Make sure that you keep something inside the electric kettle and then only turn on. Here I am adding 3/4 cup of water and turn the knob from off to 70 degrees. If you could see, red light is on. While the water is boiling, we shall add 1 cup of ready to cook oats mixture. Mix well until everything is well combined. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, then check our oats upma is completely done. If you feel that it is little watery, then increase the temperature and cook till the moisture evaporates from the oats upma. Stir continuously to avoid food sticking at the bottom of the pan. That's it. Your yummy and delicious oats upma is ready at your hostel. Always eat good food at your hostel so that you do not damage your health. It's always a great idea to carry homemade instant mix to your hostels or PG so that you will not eat junk foods outside. So this is a great option, and carrying an electric kettle these days is very economical also. In my next video, I'll be coming up with interesting recipes using electric kettle. So stay tuned guys. Thank you for watching.